Hello traders and welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for the week of July 21st, 2019. I'm going to start here in the dollar index here. You can see very choppy action, still pretty non-directional here. You see this reflected in a couple of the currencies as well, especially the euro. We can see very choppy action so far. We're still confined between 97.63 and this 96.33 area here as support and resistance. And we're going to continue to watch those areas to see if we can get any type of any type of resistance or support there, any type of trade off that in some other currencies. Otherwise, you can see we're kind of in this channel here so far, this kind of rising channel, and it seems like we're probably going to continue to stay confined there until we get some further clarification on the direction of the dollar. So, at any rate, the outside bounds here of support is at 95.61 and resistance here is at 98.35. But again, the key levels to go ahead and watch short term will be 96.33 and then 97.63. Looking at the euro, very similar to what we saw here in the dollar index. Really choppy, really no direction here. Kind of like a falling channel that we have going on here as well. Continuing to watch this 113.23. Really, the key level here is 114.12 for resistance, and the key level down here is going to be the 112 area, more specifically. Yeah, right around the 112 area, actually, as pretty good support so far. The outer bounds here would be 111.14 and 114.82 as the kind of cap here on the euro. But as far as any direction here, still very choppy, still need some further clarification. Kind of in the summer doldrums here, so volumes are fairly low, markets are kind of tight here. So continue to watch these key levels here. Again, 112 as support and resistance here at 113.13, more importantly 114.12. Pound dollar here, you can see we talked about a possible fake out last week. May continue, you may still have a fake out here. You can see that we traded below it, this key level here, and right around 124.50 or so. You can see we traded below it and then snapped right back and closed above it here. So you can see that it's still kind of heavy here on the mat. You expect it to see some type of lift here, but we could actually trade below this here at some point. Keeps piercing through it. We had a close here, something to watch out for either way. If you do trade lower, watch 120, 120 as the next area of support. Before that, you certainly could get some support here right around 123. 123.70, which coincides with this low here, but might have a little bit of trouble there, but it could certainly trade down to 120, 120 if you get any type of momentum. Otherwise here, if this does turn out to be a fake out, could certainly see a squeeze to the upside and would watch 127.81 as resistance. Dollar yen, you can see we had a last couple months here, pretty good move to the downside here. We started to pick up some more momentum to the downside, but got a little indecisive here. Again, probably due to summer volumes and whatnot, but watching 108.58 here for resistance, support at 106.84. If you do make another leg lower though, watch 105.70. Aussie dollar, certainly looking a little bit more bullish than some of our other currencies. You can see we had a nice base through here. We had this falling trend line. We broke above it, then we actually closed, pretty much right at the trend line. Could be a fake out, so something to be careful for. But if we do get a breakout to the upside, any momentum, certainly watch the 72 figure area for resistance. Support, if this turns out to be a fake out, would be right around 68, 67. That'd be key support here in this market. Otherwise, we're at a critical level here. Really nice area of support. Had a falling trend line that we broke. Get any momentum to the upside. Really see this one go and tag that 72 level. Kiwis actually looking pretty strong the last couple weeks here, last couple months actually, or last month or so. Watching this level here, it's 67, what's that, 67.83 here. You can see pretty key resistance here in this market. If this continues to lag higher, 69.40 would be the next area of resistance. Support, if you fall from here, would be 66.08, but looking fairly healthy so far. Dollar CAD, you can see, Canadian government, or Canadian economy has been really doing well, but you can see that they got a little dovish here, but you can see we're finding some support here at this 130.26 level here and 130.30. trying to find ways to, get off the mat here and start to move a little bit higher. Key resistance right now is at 132.66. But again, still looking pretty heavy here. If we fall through here, watch 129.10 is the next area of support. Euro yen, looking pretty heavy here as well. Watching 119.90 for support. At this key level right now, 120.85, our 80 area. Continue to watch that area for further support, but again, looking pretty heavy. Watching the 119.90 here for the next area of support if it does indeed break. Resistance right now is at 122.72. Aussie yen, looking kind of constructive here. Needs a little bit more lift from the yen. But watching 76.29's key area of resistance, if that should break, would watch 77.82 as the next area of resistance. Support at 74.80, and beyond that 73.23. And the pound yen here looking real heavy, leaking through here towards the bottom. 125.47 right now is going to act as resistance, this level right through here. Beyond that 138.01. Support in this market right now is at 132.26. Again, market looking fairly heavy. That's our weekly Forex forecast for the week of July 21st, 2019. Good hunting out there and happy trading.